Welcome to Miami, where the sun kisses amazing beaches, lively music fills the air, and beautiful cafes, the perfect backdrop for working remotely. Hey there, if you're new to my channel, I'm a product designer, and one thing I'm all about is finding the sweet spot between work success and living life to the fullest. That means embracing new experiences, exploring new places, and yes, even squeezing in a bit of remote work along the way. So today, I'm taking you on a journey to experience a day in the life working remote and traveling in one of the most exciting cities in the world. Let's dive in. It is Wednesday afternoon right now. I just finished working, but I am packing because tonight I'm actually going on a red-eye flight to Miami, and I'm really excited because we're going for a music festival this week. And so, of course, work is always busy when I'm about to leave on a trip. And tomorrow I actually have a half day where I'll be able to work remotely, and so I'm gonna do that. This is my suitcase. Kevin and I are actually taking United, but we wanted to share a suitcase so that we didn't have to pay extra for another carry-on. And I'm in the process of actually packing this big purse of mine. I'm going to try to work from this really cute cafe in Miami, but I don't want to bring a backpack. I want to bring something kind of cuter. So this is my daytime work bag that I usually bring for work, but it's perfect because it fits my laptop and it still just looks like something I can use as a beach bag later on. So that's really, really nice. The music festival doesn't start until really the day after. And so Thursday I get to explore for half the day and the other half I'll be working. So gotta bring this with me. Every location that you travel to is very different. This time, since I'll be in Miami, East Coast, it's actually very different because I think they are 3 hours ahead. So if it's 9 a.m. here, it's technically 12 p.m. there. And so it'll be a little bit tricky. I don't think I'll be able to match the time zones exactly. And so I'm going to have to change it up a little bit. I'm only going to be doing a half day. I can't do a full day because I definitely want to be able to take advantage of the sunlight and explore around. So that's what I'm planning to do. Yeah, so I'm going to finish packing because we got to go on our flight soon and I'm cutting it really close. We just landed in Miami. I'm really excited to be here. We took a red-eye flight last night, so our flight took off around 11 p.m. and we landed here around 9 a.m. in Miami, which is technically 6 a.m. in California time, so it's really early for me. And I didn't get very much sleep on the plane because it was super uncomfortable. It was a full flight. I got an aisle seat, but people kept bumping into me the whole time, and I'm not a really good sleeper. So I'm hoping that won't affect my day too much. I'm gonna try to power through for today. We are here trying to get an early check-in, so we're gonna check into the hotel. So far it's really nice. You can see back there. There's a lot of areas to work in the lobby, so I'll probably try to do that later. And then get some lunch, head out, and I cannot wait to show you around. One of the things I like to do to maximize traveling while working is by flying into the city towards the middle or end of the week. This way, I just need to take 1 or 2 days to work remotely because usually those are slower days at work, and the rest I can use to explore the area. Ooh. This is the room tour. You're gonna have to watch out for my cousins. They're really nice and comfy already.
We're getting ready for Ultra Miami.
And here is the view.
This is the moment we've all been waiting for.
Oh, we have a really cool city view. Quite nice. Just finished getting ready. I'm wearing this nice little dress for brunch. We're going to actually go near South Beach. It's going to be really cute. And then we're going to grab lunch at this place called Strawberry Moon after. And so yeah, we're going to try to do all that today. And our Uber's about to pick us up right now. So I'll show you guys. feedback from designs I was working on previously, so I made some easy updates on that while looking at some dashboard inspirations for my next project. Not gonna lie, the internet was pretty spotty here and I ended up getting disconnected, which I thought was a great time for me to take a break and make it to my lunch reservations. Alright, so Kevin and I just finished lunch and we're walking around South Beach because it's his very first time being here. What do you think of this place so far, Kev?
It's great.
It's really cool because it's actually only like 12 p.m. here, which is actually only 9 a.m. in California time, so I feel like we've already done so much today. This is so cool. There's so many cool restaurants along the beach. They all have a vibe. They have their own music. And there's a lot of people eating, like just relaxing and having a big fat fishbowl of alcohol. Hello. Oh, ice cream. We're gonna walk a little bit and then go to a cafe for work. So yeah, it's kind of loud. We found this cafe called Babito's that is really great for working and it's also super cute. It had free Wi-Fi with good connectivity, a bunch of spots for people to work from, and it had 2 levels. If you wanted to have a more quiet area to work, you could go upstairs, which I thought was really cool. There were also a bunch of spots, and it just felt like the remote work seemed like a normal culture in Miami, which was something that was really nice that surprised me. I opened up my computer and I have like 10 Slack messages, so I'm gonna respond to that and then catch up on some designs. It's funny, I'm actually not technically working today, I actually took it off, but I figured like I had time to kill today. Our event doesn't start until tomorrow, and so everyone's kind of just doing their own thing today, so I just figured I'd just go to the cafe and finish up and catch up on design so I can get ahead, because I know it's gonna be super busy when I come back. The project I'm leading right now is really exciting for me because I get to work on a desktop and mobile application in parallel. It's also a newer product where I get the flexibility to experiment and use new data visualization patterns, which is actually really fun, challenging, and creative for me. What's also really cool is I had a meeting earlier with engineers where they gave me a demo of the app I created, and it's looking really good so far, so it's a great feeling of satisfaction seeing it come to life. One of my favorite things about my job. After I finished up some work, we headed out to meet my cousins and family for dinner at this delicious Peruvian spot that's really well known in Miami. If you've never been before, I highly recommend it. It's called Ceviche. We're back at the hotel now. It's been a really long day, but really eventful. I got to do a lot. I got to work remotely successfully. I got to, explore, try some really good food. We got back from this delicious Peruvian restaurant that all of us really liked. It was such a hit. And now we're just gonna go to sleep early because we're running on fumes at this point. It's been a really long day. If you like food, then you'll really like my next video. It's going to be a post about all the cool, trendy restaurants I get to go to in Miami. So stay tuned for that one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.